gulay. Kamote. Saluyot and alugbati. With lapu-lapu. First time to eat the lapu-lapu or not?
Well, here,
Here.
but you said it's grouper, right?
Grouper, yeah.
I had grouper.
But how about the saluyot, alugbati, and kamote tops? First time?
I think so.
I think so. That's good. Mmm. That's healthy. Mm.
I'm done.
You're done? There's more. You don't like anymore?
No, I've had enough. It's very good.
Very good. Thank
Yeah.
you. You like my cooking.
Mhm. I'm gonna keep these peppers. Or do you want to put them here?
You keep?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're very hot. I can't. Like one was perfect.
One was perfect. It's
Yeah.
not the same.
Hmm?
One was
Well,
perfect.
one is all I need.
One is all you need.
Yeah, but I like them. I want to keep them.
Mm.
Put them here.
Mm. Yeah.
We're good.
Mm.